Hey everyone, we have a topic that we want to address today, and that is the noise that comes from every adjustment that we do. Now, it's not your neck making this big loud noise when we adjust, it's the table. What we're doing is we're using a little bit of force and a lot of gravity to do your adjustments, and how we're doing that is we're using a drop headpiece. So when we bring this table into a locking position, we contact the vertebra that we are adjusting, we introduce that force, the table goes down, stopping your head, and then the force continues through the joint, allowing gravity to do the rest of the work.